The Tambaram railway station in Chennai has been transformed into a mural art as a tribute to the frontline warriors battling corona. With me, Varshini, a designer and artist. Thank you very much for your time. You're the one who designed that art form. What's the idea behind that?
So the idea was to represent the frontline workers, and it was like the mural itself is a tribute to the frontline workers, the essential workers especially.
Doctors, nurses.
Yes, doctors, nurses, sanitary workers, policemen. So you would find all that in the mural. It's a representation of that.
And interestingly, you said you've also captured in that art the other unique things which we come across during this lockdown season. Tell us about that.
So there are many interesting things scenes that I came across during this lockdown. So you would find the corona helmet and the railways converting their coaches into isolation wards. You would also find sanitary workers in your streets, spraying disinfectants. These are all small elements that you won't find, on the streets of Chennai and it was very interesting for me when I came across these news articles, and there were interesting scenes that I could represent, which I thought it would be interesting on a mural.
The way the station looks now, are you quite happy about that?
I am very happy because it's full of color, and I've tried to use colors which people associate with positivity. So it's like very vibrant, and it is also like a happy thing. We'll have to move on after this lockdown. So it's more like a positive message.
Nobody to appreciate now, but after lockdown, you think?
I was very particular about that because I didn't want any sad scenes or anything to be represented, because even after lockdown, when you go walk near the Tambaram station, you should feel happy about it, because we have come across such a huge disaster, and we've passed that, and we have come across. So it's more like a positive message to the people.
Right. How important and relevant is artwork during a crisis, during a pandemic like this?
So even during pandemic, people actually turn to art and media for distraction, for engagement, to somehow get out of this lockdown, to forget this lockdown. So art is a visual medium, and it's been doing its part in creating awareness, and also it's been trying to put a positive message out there. Since it's a visual medium, and art on a bigger canvas like a railway station registered a positive message in your mind, in the people's mind as well.
How did this idea come about initially?
So I was approached by Nalanda Way Foundation. So they approached me with the brief. So with the brief, along with them, we discussed, and we decided on a concept, what to represent, where the placement should be, about the colors, and then we created the mural.
What next?
Next, I'm working on a few other projects. I'm also an accessory designer, so there are a few projects, designing bags, designing also illustrations. So I also treat illustrations as design because my background is in design. So there are a lot of projects in the pipeline. I'm waiting to show.
Professionally, this crisis, the corona crisis, has it impacted your work?
I feel I was always working from home. Okay, so it doesn't make a big difference for me. The only thing, I'm not able to go out and eat. That's the only thing. But yes, and a lot of artists and designers have also been hit. I'm privileged to be with my parents at this point of time, whereas a lot of them are not. So there has been
less work, you mean?
Yes, less work, less payment to a lot of artists and designers as well. But I think we're all trying to do our best. So I think it'll this too shall pass.
Right. It's good, even during this crisis, you had time and enthusiasm to work on a project like this to spread the cheer. Thank you very much for you. That was Varshini in Chennai with camera person Edwin, Sam Daniel, Find TV.